Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm Inform, and today in this video we will learn about the reference and working standards used in quality control laboratory for the testing of various products. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button, and now let's start our video. In this video we will learn what are the reference standards, what are the working standards, why we do not use a reference standard for the routine testing, and how the working standard is stored. So first one is the reference standard. What is the reference standard? Reference standard is also known as primary standard. It may be derived from USP, NF or any other official sources. Mean reference standard is also known as the primary standard. The other definition of reference standard is that reference standards are authentic substances of high purity and are provided by the pharmacopoeial bodies. Mean these standards are provided by the pharmacopoeial bodies, and we cannot produce these standards or we cannot prepare these standards in the quality control labs. So it was all about the reference standards. Now what are the working standards? Working standard is also known as secondary standard or in-house standard. Mean working standard other name is secondary standard or in-house standard. Why we call it in-house standard, we will learn later in this video. Other definition of working standard is that these are the substances of established quality and purity as shown by comparison of reference standards. So we can also define working standard as working standard is a standard that is prepared and qualified against a pharmacopoeial reference standard. In simple words, working standards are prepared in quality control labs by comparing with the reference standards. That is why these are also known as in-house standards. So working standards are used for the routine testing and analysis of the various products. Next one is that why we do not use a reference standard for the testing, or why we use only working standards for the testing or analysis purpose. The reason is that a reference standard, as we discussed earlier, is provided by the pharmacopoeial bodies. So it is provided in very small quantity, and next reason is that it is also very costly. So due to these two reasons, due to the less quantity and due to very high cost, we do not use primary standards or reference standards for the testing. Apart from this, we prepare in-house working standards and use it for routine testing and analysis. The next part is that storage of the working standard. After preparation of the working standard or secondary standard or in-house standard, we store it into the bottles or vials, and these bottles or vials include the given information: name of the compound, physical description, LOD or moisture content, assay or purity. Next one is the date of preparation, vial number, retest date, and the storage condition. If you like the video, share it to others. If you want to learn these definitions, you can take the screenshot of this board, and if you like the video, share it to others. Subscribe my channel, visit my website farminform.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.